Hi friends, in this video we are going to deal with the landmark judgment titled as In Re Problems and Miseries of Migrant Laborers pronounced on 29th June 2021. This judgment deals with the directions given by the Supreme Court to all the states and union territories to implement One Nation One Ration Card scheme by 31st July 2021. To know about the synopsis of the case, please watch the video fully. The facts of the case would be that the worldwide pandemic COVID-19 engulfed our country in March 2020 and continued till date, changing its face from time to time. Different mutations in the virus have made it dangerous and fatal at times. One of the groups which were severely affected by the pandemic was the migrant laborers. When nationwide lockdown was declared, there was a huge exodus of the migrant laborers from their place of work to their native places. When large number of migrant laborers started working on highways, on foot, cycles and other modes of transports without food and facing several untold miseries, the Supreme Court Suo Moto took cognizance of the problems and miseries of the migrant laborers. The learned counsel appearing for applicants and interveners have raised concerns regarding non-supply of dry ration to large section of migrant workers who are not covered under the National Food Security Act 2013 and who does not possess ration card. Regarding One Nation One Ration Card scheme, the Supreme Court has given the following directions. It is directed that the central government to develop the portal in consultation with National Informatics Center for registration of the unorganized laborers or migrant workers. We also direct that the central government as well as the respective states and the union territories to complete the process of portal for registration under National Database for Unorganized Workers as well as implement the same, which by all means may commence not later than 31st July 2021. We further direct that the process of registration of the unorganized laborers is completed at the earliest, but not later than 31st December 2021. The central government having undertaken to distribute additional quantity of food grains as demanded by the state or union territories for distribution to migrant laborers under scheme framed by the state, we direct the central government, Department of Food and Public Distribution to allocate and distribute food grains as per demand of additional food grains from the states for disbursement of dry food grains to migrant laborers. We direct the states to bring in place an appropriate scheme for distribution of dry ration to migrant laborers, for which it shall be open for states to ask for allocation of additional food grains from the central government, which as directed above shall provide the additional food grains to the state. The state shall consider and bring an appropriate scheme which may be implemented on or before 31st July 2021. Such scheme may be continued and operated till the current pandemic COVID-19 continues. The states who have not yet implemented One Nation One Ration Card scheme are directed to implement the same by not later than 31st July 2021. The central government may undertake exercise under Section 9 of National Food Security Act 2013 to redetermine the total number of persons to be covered under the rural and urban areas of the state. We direct all the states and union territories to register all establishments and license all contractors under Act 1979 and ensure that statutory duty imposed on the contractors to give particulars of migrant workers is fully complied with. The state and union territories are directed to run community kitchens at prominent places where large number of migrant laborers are found for feeding those migrant laborers who does not have sufficient means to procure 2 meals a day. The running of the community kitchen should be continued at least till pandemic COVID-19 continues. Friends, to conclude, in this video we have seen that the Supreme Court has directed all states and union territories to implement One Nation and One Ration Card scheme by 31st July 2021 as per in re problems and miseries of migrant laborers case. In the next video, I will see you with yet another case synopsis. Until then, I take leave of you. Bye.